Level up your rice game with this buttered garlic rice. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. You'll want to start off by rinsing your rice. This involves placing your rice into a bowl of cold water and making sure that you rinse it at least 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. This will wash off all the extra starch on the rice and it will prevent the rice from clumping when it's cooking. When clear, drain the rice and keep it until ready to use. Chop up all your garlic and place it in a saucepan with olive oil and cook it until lightly golden. Pour the broth in the pan with the rinsed rice and your onion powder. Give it a little stir, then place the lid and bring to a simmer to cook the rice. Meanwhile, chop up all your parsley and make sure that your butter is at room temperature. Once the rice is cooked, take it off the heat and place in the butter. Fluff up the rice and make sure that the butter is melted through. Then add in your parsley. Give it a quick stir. And place it in your serving bowl with a little bit extra parsley on top. Thanks for watching. Click on our icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.